Let's move on towards our next paragraph of discussion from Clayden book. Vitamin C is manufactured on a huge scale by Roche, a Swiss company. So this is self-explanatory statement. No need to explain this. That vitamin C is manufactured on a huge scale by Roche, which is a Swiss company. Swiss company means it is from Switzerland. Swiss company means a company from Switzerland. Okay, and the name of the company is Roche, and it manufactures vitamin C. Okay, all over the world there are chemistry based companies. So all over the world there are chemistry based companies which are making organic molecules from crude oil. Okay, on scales varying from a few kilograms to thousands of tons per year. Okay, so from a few kgs, and 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Okay, 1 ton, what does it mean by 1 ton? 1 ton is 1000 kg. Okay, so thousand of ton means millions of kg. Okay, so from a few kilograms to thousands of tons per year, that is the scale of this production of these compounds. This is a good news for students of organic chemistry because there will be an ample job market for students of organic chemistry. So this is a good news for organic chemistry students because knowing how molecules behave is a part of organic chemistry. You will learn how molecules behave, and you will also learn how to make the molecules, and this is a skill in demand. This is a skill in demand, and it is an international job market. Okay, not just related to your own country, your country of residence, but it is an international job market. So because of the job opportunities, it is a good news for chemistry students. Good news for chemistry student because of the job market. Okay, this fact you must remember from this paragraph, that 1 ton 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. 1000 kg means 10 to the power 3 kg. That is 1 ton. Okay, so thousand of ton, what does it mean by, if we consider 1000 ton, 1000 ton, what will that be equal to? That will be equal to 10 to the power 6 kg, and 10 to the power 6 is what? It is 1 million. So 1 million kg. Okay, 10 to the power 6 is 1 million, so 1 million kg. The petrochemical industry. What does it mean by petrochemicals industry? Petrochemicals industry is an industry where various chemicals are produced with the help of crude oil. Crude oil is a oil which is obtained from inside the earth. What is crude oil? Crude oil is an oil which is obtained from inside the earth, and that crude oil is processed, and after processing the crude oil we get products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, okay, wax, asphalt, okay. All these things we get from fractional distillation of crude oil or purification of crude oil. Many of the polymers which we have with us, detergent which we have with us, okay, all these things are petrochemicals. They are derived from crude oil. Okay, so the petrochemicals industry consumes huge amounts of crude oil. So huge amounts of crude oil are consumed by petrochemicals industry. And petrochemicals industry is an industry where from crude oil we produce various substances. Okay, like nylon, dacron, okay, asphalt, wax, kerosene, petrol, diesel. Okay, all these things. The largest refinery in the world. Okay, the largest refinery in the world in Jamnagar, India. So Jamnagar is located in Gujarat. Okay, Jamnagar is located in Gujarat state of India. Okay, and it is the world's largest refinery. It is the world's largest refinery. It is located in Jamnagar, India. It processes 200 million liters of crude oil every day. What does it mean by 200 million liters of crude oil? So 200 million liters of crude oil. What does it mean by 200 million? 200 million means 200 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Because 1 million has 10 to the power 6. 1 million is equal to 20 to the power 6. So it will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8. 2 into 10 to the power 8 liters. Okay. So 200 million liters. 200 million liters simply means 2 into 10 to the power 8 liters. 2 into 10 to the power 8 liters is equal to 200 million liters. So the largest refinery in the world processes this much crude oil every day. Okay. and the biggest and alarmingly large proportion of this is still just burnt as fuel. Now, what does it mean by alarmingly? Alarmingly means like a wa- wa- alarmingly. Okay, alarmingly means like a warning type. Okay, or dangerous. Okay, alarming means dangerous. So dangerously large proportion of this crude oil which we purify, so alarmingly large of this is still just burnt as fuel. Fuel in the form of fuel, it is burnt. It means that it is burnt in the form of petrol and diesel and kerosene. Okay, for driving the cars, trucks, tractors. Okay, so that is the biggest use of this thing, or biggest use of crude oil, because from crude oil we obtain petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. We obtain it from crude oil. Okay, isooctane, octane, hexane. Okay, all these things we obtain from crude oil. Even methane also we can obtain from crude oil. So alarmingly large proportion of this crude oil is still just burnt as fuel for cars, fuel for aeroplanes, fuel for taxis. Okay. So alarmingly, it is using the word alarming because it is using the word alarming because it is very dangerous. It is causing global warming because of CO2 emissions, because of carbon dioxide emissions. It is causing global warming all around the world. Okay, so heat waves are becoming more and more common. Heat waves are becoming more and more common. Okay, but some of this crude oil, although the majority of this is burnt as fuel, but some of it is purified or converted into organic compounds. Okay, so some of it we can purify and we can convert it into organic compound like asphalt, like wax. Okay, like nylon, like detergent. Okay, soaps. Okay, so some of it is purified and converted into organic compound. Which type of organic compound I told you? Even some polymers also. Even some polymers also. Okay, like PVC, polystyrene. All these things can be obtained from crude oil. Okay, so it is converted into organic compound for use in the rest of the chemical industry. Okay, so although the majority of it is burnt as fossil fuels, but a majority of it, although it is burnt as fossil fuels, but a little amount from it is also used in chemical industry. A little amount out of it is also used in the chemical industry. That is what is the meaning.